Every story has a chapter, and this is the Dutch chapter. Today we're off to explore one of the coolest spots in the Netherlands, the Spoorweg Museum or Dutch Railway Museum. Right at the entrance, you're welcomed by a throwback to an old train station, with luggage areas, storage carts, and all sorts of vintage equipment that once kept the railways moving. It's like stepping back in time. And now, to one of the quirkiest spots in the Railway Museum, the toilet. Step inside and you'll find the kind of old-fashioned toilets that were once built into trains. Hard to imagine long journeys back then. Right next door is the station's rest area, where travelers used to relax and wait for their trains. A little peek into railway life of the past. And now we're stepping into the railway yard. Here you can see all kinds of trains. You can even hop on board and explore what the inside of different types of trains looked like. This is the ticket machine, where you can purchase your train tickets. Now we're at the station of the Spoorweg Museum. If you arrive by public transport, this is the stop where you'll need to get off. The Spoorweg Museum, or Dutch Railway Museum, is located in Utrecht and is one of the most interesting attractions for train enthusiasts and curious visitors alike. Housed in a historic railway station, the museum showcases the evolution of trains in the Netherlands, from the earliest steam engines to modern locomotives. The museum first opened in 1954, and over the years it has preserved a wide variety of trains, old railway equipment, and interactive exhibits. Visitors can explore vintage carriages, walk through historic train stations, and even hop on some of the old trains to see how travel used to be. It's a great place to get a feel for the history of Dutch railways while enjoying a hands-on experience.
Van de spoorwegen bevindt zich tegenwoordig achter een beeldscherm. Vroeger was dit wel anders. Het ouderwetse handwerk. Je ziet het steeds minder. De kruier die de reiziger hielp met de koffers, de stoker die de kolen schepte, de wachter die het sein omzet, ze zijn van het spoor verdwenen.
Now it's time for an adventure ride. This one is super exciting and perfect for an adrenaline rush. Get ready for some fun. We started the journey under a train, passing old railway tracks, slopes, mountains, and workstations. At one point, we almost crashed into another train, definitely an adrenaline-filled moment.
එතකොට අපි ඉන්නේ ටිකක් උඩින්. මේ තියෙන්නේ තපල් දුම්රියක්. මේ ඔක්කොම පෝස්ටල් ඒවා තමයි මේ තියෙන බෑග් එහෙම. ඊට පස්සේ මේ සෝට් කරන ඒවා පෝස්ටල් ට්‍රේන් එක.
This is the kids' activity area, where children can try out lots of fun science experiments related to trains and railways. It's a great opportunity for them to learn while having fun. The museum is especially popular with kids. They love exploring the trains, climbing aboard, and enjoying the hands-on activities. Plus, there are spots to grab some good food, making it a perfect family outing. that's a wrap on our visit to the Spoorweg Museum. We've explored historic trains, had some thrilling moments on the rides, and discovered so many fun activities for kids and adults alike. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun travel adventures. See you in the next video.